Hello students, welcome to GK session for Tuesday. After Bina teacher's class, now I am here to share some view of 23 and 25 lesson. Last I have given answer for 23rd lesson information at your fingertips. There are some underline points. It is important to see that which underline points I have given to you. Look at these following points: World Wide Web, interconnected home page, browser is a software program, Mozilla Firefox, Netscape, etc. Now Google is a very popular search engine. Hyperlink, it is a page is connected with the internet. Email is a short for electronic mail, etc. Then we shall move today's point for 25 lesson, think different. Do you know, friends, when we are curious we find something. That means the word inventor is from the Latin verb inveniare. Inveniare means to find something new. During the last 2 centuries, many new idea, many new methodology, many new creators came. They have a mind, some ideas came. So electronic light, telephone, television, mobile, internet, it is invented. I have given the 10 inventions answers in my last PDF. You can see this and correct and write down that 10 invention based on my answer in your notebook. Please follow the notebook work very properly. You can circle it, find yourself. Answers I have already shared with you. Then Carl Benz, Macmillan, Alexander Fleming, Blanchard, Alfred Nobel, Dunlop, Marconi, Lepreci, Salvino, Berliner, they have given world best invention to us, where Nobel Prize is very popular even today, and John Dunlop's tire is also very popular today, even we are using in our day-to-day life. Then there are some points explained here. In 1931, Ernest Ruska invented electron microscope. William Röntgen, X-rays discovered, so we are getting X-ray facility. Michael Faraday, Joseph Henry discovered magnetism to create electricity. Volta has invented first battery and it is used as a voltmeter in 1799. Lavoisier gives the importance of oxygen and proves that it is useful for the burning gas. Henry Cavendish, English chemist, discovered hydrogen. And Isaac Newton is very popular even today also, you know it. Newton's English mathematician's law of motion and gravity is ideally we are using. So dear students, inventions are very important for our life, and they have invented this logically things, because of that only we have continued. So here I ends my lesson, and I request all of you to continue writing based on our 2 teachers' work. Don't forget to miss the writing. We will talk furthermore in our next session. Till then, I request all of you to prepare a certain notebooks also and do it for that. Thank you all of you.